All right, so I got an issue on my 2017 Ford F-250 Platinum. The tailgate actuator is not opening. So I've seen some videos where some of them get stuck and they just need to be lubricated. So I'm gonna open this up by taking these bolts here out and use special bits, torque bit. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm gonna take it out and take a look at the actuator in here. So it's not moving, it's barely moving. And see, I keep hitting the button, it's not doing anything. So we're gonna disconnect these clips. I've already taken the bolts off of here. I'm gonna strip this off. There's a plug in on here. So disconnect this one, disconnect this one. The nuts are already loose on this. Pull it out. It's just a little clip connector on the side here. Just boom, pull it out. Now you have the whole part. You take this part number is located right on here. So I'll clean this up, get that part number. I'll order it online, have this put back in and be ready to go. Plain and simple, put the 8 bolts back on. Moral of this story is you can fix it yourself. You don't have to pay big money to go to the dealership. Some things, easy enough. Just, if you want to, watch a YouTube tutorial. Man, that was a tongue tire. Anyway, get this fixed and be able to open my tailgate again. Okay, it's our old part. Replacement part doesn't spring back. It's old and wore out. This one springs back perfectly good. Very simple to install. Boom. We're going to hook this part right here into here. Locked in. We're going down on these bolt holes right here. It's 2 bolts with nuts. Screw, screw, screw. Screw them down. Done. Done. All right, this one goes on here and we clip it over. Done. This one goes on here, clip it over, and done. Maybe I need to spin this around the other way. It's a little tight in here. Let's see if we can get it this way. Come on, there we go. All right, now we're on. All right, let's shut it and see if it works. Close the tailgate. Here we go.
Yep.
Done.
Beautiful.
We're all sealed up and done. That's what I want to hear. So that's it. Take this bad boy here. Just put it right back on here. And I'll screw it down and we'll be done. So take this bit. Boom. Slap this Torx bit in here, put all these screws in, and we're officially done. And I saved myself a couple $100. All right, final video. Here we go. Snap. Plain and simple. Fix it yourself. Some things are simple. Just take the time, do the research, check on the parts, see how simple of a job. Sometimes you don't have enough tools to do the job correctly, and it's okay to get a professional, but some things you can save yourself some money. You buy, I didn't have a lot of money growing up, and if you wanted nice things, you got to be able to buy something broke that nobody wanted to fix and fix it. And that's what I did. That's what I've always done. Same thing I did with my boat. It was destroyed when we got it, and my partner Owen and I, we put a lot of time and effort in it, and that thing is sleek. It's amazing. It's a trustworthy boat that we put a lot of effort into, and we know every single aspect about too. So fix it yourself. Stay tuned for more Peeler time, home improvement, truck improvement, barbecue, fishing. I'm about to put some steaks on the grill over here. You can see it smoking. So anyway, tune in, hit the like and subscribe button on my YouTube page. Go and find me there. I'll put a link down on my YouTube page where you can get that. And yeah, stay tuned.